Hi pre-K friends, I'm Miss Jessica from Mosito's class, and this time I'm going to explore sounds while playing with my water. Alright, at home you can have it filled with water, or even a small bin and fill it up with water, and you can explore this kind of experiment or activity, I mean. And so for materials, I have empty bottled water and straw, forks, and a pan.
Mom, what are the forks for?
Make sound.
Make sound?
Alright, and I have this tote of water. Alright, let's start. First, I'm going to fill this empty bottle with water. And we're going to explore a sound when I'm pouring this water from this water bottle. Alright, I want you to observe and notice what sound does it makes. Alright?
It makes bubbles. It makes bubbles.
What sound we can name of that? Maybe we can name pouring sound or pouring water sound. Alright, that's our first one. Next, we're gonna make, closer Mahal, we're gonna make this kind of sound. I want my camera to be closer and observe what kind of sound does it make. Maybe we can name it blowing water sound or blowing sound water. Alright, next. Oh, we can also make this kind of sound. You hear that? What do you think? What kind of sound do you think we can name? Maybe we can name it as bubbling water sound because it makes bubbles, right? Look. Bubble sound. Alright, there's a lot of sounds you can create while playing with water. Now, this is the most exciting one. I have this pen, and I'm going to make sound. I'm going to put it on top of my water and make sound. I need you to observe what changes it makes when I put water into it and let it float and tap it. Have you noticed some changes? Okay, let's do it again without water. The pitch is so high, and if I put it with water, put water into it, the pitch is low. At home, you can create a lot of sounds using or while playing with your water. Alright, I need you to try this activity and have fun with your family. Alright, pre-K friends, bye!